So this is the Westminster chime clock I picked up. Paid 20 quid for it. You see me taking it out and cleaning it all in the clock cleaner. So I've cleaned it all now, all this and everything, all that. So it's up and running now, perfect. So I'll show you it running now. Move the hand round, look. If you move the hands too quick, move the hands very slow. Just a touch more. Move the hands slow. If you're too quick, you'll miss the clicky noise. Really slow with the hands. Apologise if it's wrong going for the camera. So you need to watch the previous video before you watch this one. So if you watch the video on another this one, on restoration and service, then watch this one, you'll understand where I've gone to. So at the moment now it's running perfect, clock's running perfect. So thank you for watching the video. Thank you.